Welcome to story time here on The Aftermath. Today, sit back and hear the tale of a decimal point named Dot. Dot was a loving decimal point who really enjoyed taking their home inside the divisor part of a division problem. So here we see Dot inside that divisor part of the division problem, and Dot had a neighbor that lived inside the dividend. Well, Dot just simply loved living in the divisor, but one day a rain cloud came, and all these raindrops were pouring down out of that rain cloud. And wouldn't you know it, Dot was getting soaking wet. And she really hated that. So she thought, I know, I'm going to move over a spot to the right, and that way I'll get out of the rain. Well, it was a great idea, but unfortunately, Dot was still getting wet. So she moved over again until she was right next to that division bar. And it turns out she was out of the rain, safe and warm. Well, it turns out also that the Dot inside the dividend was a big, giant copycat and wanted to do everything that Dot did. So when they saw Dot move 2 times to the right, they moved 2 times to the right and had a big, giant housewarming party there with a big, giant helium balloon that floated them up above the division bar. Once this happens, we can do a long division problem just like any other problem. If Dot lives 5 spaces away, we'd have to move 5 spaces away. The point is, she's trying to get all the way over to the division bar as far to the right as she can go. The dividend will move the same number of spaces. And as we do division, you can see here long division being worked out. That decimal point in our quotient is going to stay there and give us the correct answer. I hope you enjoyed the tale of Dot, and hopefully this will help you remember how to move the decimals when you are dividing with decimals.